हेलो एवरीवन। हेलो हेलो हेलो। आवाज आ रही है बच्चों? हेलो एवरीबॉडी, आवाज आ रही है बच्चों? चलो बढ़िया बढ़िया बढ़िया, स्टार्ट करते हैं। लेट्स सी एवरीबॉडी। चलो। So let's see what we have learned till here. Everybody, come on, come on, come on, fast. Join it fast. Due to the power cut, we were and the Wi-Fi went off, so the class got interrupted. Okay, so let's see. Chalo, let's see. So this x square, x square less than till 4. So this value will go what? 3. Clear? Yes, no, yes, no. Come on, come on. Nishat, others, join fast, join fast. Chalo. So now understand how will we break it. 0 to will break to first root 1 fx, plus then it will break from root 1 to root 2. Next root 2 to root 3. Next root 3 to root 4, that is nothing but 2 only. Now we just have to substitute the value. Now we just have to substitute the value. Okay. So 0 to 1, what is the value I got? 0 to 1, what is the value I got? So it will be integration 0 dx. So this is gone. Root 1 to root 2, what I got? 1. So integration 1 dx from where to where? Root 1 to root 2. Next, root 2 to root 3, what is the value we got? 2. 2 dx. And root 3 to root 4, what is the value we got? 3 dx. Clear? Now solve it. If I integrate this, I'll just get x from where to where? Root 2 to root 1 plus 2 root x, 2x from where to where? Root 2 to root 3 plus 3 times of x from where to where? Root 3 to root 4. Now put the limits. Okay. The moment you put the limits here, you'll get less of space is there. So I'm writing here. If I do it here, then what I'll get? Root 2 minus root 1, that is 1, plus 2 times of root 3 minus root 2 plus 3 times of root 4 minus root 3. Clear? Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Chalo. So if you see what we am getting, I'm getting 1 root 2 and then I'm getting minus 2 root 2. So root 2 minus 2 root 2 I'm getting. Clear? I'm getting root 2 minus 2 root 2. So that is equal to minus root 2. Check where were minus root 2. So this option gone. It can either be A, B or D. Okay. Next, this 4 everybody, this 4 root 2, root 4 is nothing but 2. So 2 into 3, 6. And this is what? Root 1 is what? 1. So 6 minus 1 is what, student? 6 minus 1 is what? 5. 6 minus 1 is what? 5 we are getting, correct? So we got 5. So we got minus root 2. Check where we have 5 minus root 2. 5 minus root 2. Here we have, here no, here we have. Now we have to check for the last. See, minus 3 root 3 and minus plus 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 minus 3 root 3. So what will be the answer? Minus root 3. So minus root 3. So answer will be this one. 5 minus root 2 minus root 3. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Chalo chalo fast. Once everybody try it again by yourself, I'll again explain. Don't worry. Go through once fast. Ritik again, sir. What about others? What about others? What about others? Shall everybody? Let's see. I'll again show it how to do it from starting. Okay. So everybody pay attention. Very simple, very easy. Do not get confused. I'll give a similar question also. Okay. Chalo. This question only, let's break it. This question only, let's break it to a more smaller one. Instead of doing this question, let's do a smaller one. Okay. Chalo. So what is my question is 0. If somebody gave 0 to root 2 x square dx. Okay. So basically they gave 0 to root 2 x square dx. Now how will you solve? Now how will we solve? Your target is to check in this by putting the limits what values you can put in x. No issue, same here. This I think so this month whole of Bangalore they'll be having a lot of huge power cut. Okay. So by tomorrow, day after, by tomorrow most probably we'll get the UPS setup. So I'll be there like proper. Classes won't be disturbed. Okay. Sorry for today. Okay. Chalo. Now x square, where I can get, if I put 0, I'll get 0. So from 0 till less than root 1, I'll get the integer 0. If I put root 1 in this box x square, I'll get 1 till it will go to root 2, because the moment I put root 2 square, it will be 2. Again another integer, so I can go just this much. I can generate the first integer here 0, and I can generate the other integer here what? 1. Because if I put here square root 1 in this form, what I'll get? 1 only. Clear? So where to where I'll break? First I'll break 0 to root 1 fx dx, whatever the function, plus root 1 to root 2 fx dx. The whole target of breaking was to get integral points, was to get integers. Because if I put root 1 in that dabba, greatest integer function x square, I'll get 1 integer. If I put root 2, I'll get another integer, but maximum limit is root 2. So here to here what I'm getting? 0. So this one is gone. So 0 dx means 0 done. And here to here what is the least integer I'm getting? 1. So 1 dx. From where to where? Root 1 to root 2. So 1 dx integration is what? X. From where to where? Root 1 to root 2. So that will be root 2 minus root 1. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Ritik got it? Same thing, if you have more bigger numbers, we'll just increase it. Got it, Ritik? Rohan? Got it, Rohan? Got it, everyone? Clear, clear, clear. Sindhu, repeat. Okay. Chalo. See, basically, box gives me the smallest integer. Okay. So if I'm putting the value 0 till I'm going to root 1, what is the smallest value? Smallest integer is 0. The biggest integer, if I put it here, I'll get 1. So the greatest integer function, though name says greatest, it always takes the least value. So any value which is lying from 0 till 1, it will give me the value 0 only. Means even if I square it also, you see you take a value zero point 0.2, square it, zero point 0.2 square is what? 0.04. Which integer it is lying between? Sir, 0 and 1. The next integer is what? 0 and 1. So what is the smallest among that? 0. So any value from 0 to root 1 always will get 0. Now any value which is bigger than root 1 and smaller than root 2 means take a value like bigger, this is 1 only and this is 1.414. Okay. So take a value which is bigger than 1, 1.2. So 1.2 if you do a square, what you'll get? 12 square is what? 144, correct? So 144 again, if you do 2 points are there, so 1.44. It will again lie between the integers 1 and 2. So what is the smallest integer it will take? 1. So that's why just you have to break the limits and get the value. Clear? And greatest integer, remember it, always takes the smallest value. Always takes the smallest value. Clear? Sindhu, got it clear? Otherwise, after the class, I'll again explain. Don't worry, okay? Chalo. We have already done. No, we haven't done this. Just now, I showed you one similar question to this. I want everybody to solve in what is it, 1 minute this question fast. Otherwise, I'll tell the answer fast. 1 minute just. Fast, everybody. Let me show you how to do it fast. So what I'll do, first I'll write the numerator. 2x minus 1. I won't write the down one because I showed you how to write it. If I'm writing fast in the exam, if I'm doing, I'll write a into whatever a part is there, leaving that other 2. X plus 2, x minus 3. For those who are able to understand, do tell me, and for those who are not able to, I'll again explain. B into leaving this part, whatever is here, write down x minus 1, x minus 3. For C, again leaving this other 2, x minus 1, x plus 2. Now first, get the value of A. Clear? Now, for getting the value of A, what do you have to put? Put x equal to, put x equal to what? Minus 1. So if I put x equal to minus 1, this one vanished, this one vanished. So what will happen? Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 equal to A into minus 1 plus 2 is what? 1 only. And minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. Correct. Clear? So what is the value of A we are getting? Okay, okay. Don't go by A, students. Okay, don't go by A, because if we go by A, still we can have similar values. Still we can have a lot of similar values. Minus 1 by 6, minus 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6. If you see the C, everybody is having C different. 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 5, 1 by minus 1 by 2. Always find out the one which is different in all the options. The one which is different in all the options. What is that? C is there. So directly use C, find C. Instead of finding A and B, directly find C. How to find C? Put x equal to what? Put x equal to what? 3. A vanished, B vanished. So 3 into 2, 6, 6 minus 1, 5. 5 is equal to C into 3 minus 1, that is 2, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So directly C is equal to half. What is the answer? This is the answer, done. So you'll be like solving in 15 seconds. You'll be like solving in 15 seconds. Everybody got it? Or do you want me to explain this line? Do you want me to explain this line? Everybody got it? See, this is the favorite question of partial fraction in integrals part. Each and what do you say, every year, almost one similar question keeps coming. See, this year came. If you see other year, again in 2020 again it came. Similar. The concept is same, the values might differ. The concept remains same, the value might differ. Clear, students? Got it, everybody? Yes, no in the chat section, kids. Come on fast. Got it, didn't get, got it, didn't get. Do tell me. Got it, Ritik. What about new moon, half moon? Nishat, Pavitra, Vidya, Samiksha, Sidhu. Rupa got it. What about others? Anybody who didn't get? Anybody who didn't get? How is x equal to 3? I took a value, Samiksha. Okay. X is not equal to 3. I took a value on my own. I can take any value, put it here. So if I would have, see, if I want to make A and B vanish, what I've taken, because here also the term was x minus 3, here also x minus 3. So if I put x equal to 3, this will become 0, A will vanish, this will become 0. And then directly I can get the value of C. Now similar way, if I want to make C and B vanish, what I'll do? I'll take x equal to 1, because x plus 1, this will vanish, and x minus 1, this will vanish. Okay. So like that, we take it on our own. Okay. It's not like values is given. It's up to you, whichever you want to take. You can put 0, make a big, what is a equation, solve it, no issues. But this saves a lot of time. Got it, Samiksha? Yeah, making this factor 0, you can say x minus 3 equal to 0, so x equal to 3. Like that also, no issues. Anybody doubt? Anybody doubt? Rohan sir? Anybody doubt? Got it, got it, got it. Chalo, nobody has doubt. Can we all move into the second question? Can we all move into the next question? Got it, everybody? Chalo. Try it, everybody. Very simple, very easy question. Very simple, very easy question. Try it, everyone. 2 minutes you have. Try it. Be fast. Let's see everybody, very simple question, very simple, very easy question. What do you have to do? Take root x common. What you'll get? 1 plus x. This can be written as 1 by root x. 1 plus root x square. Now take root x as t. So 1 by 2 root x dx equal to what? Dt. So dx by root x is equal to what? 2 dt. So integration dt, 2 outside, 1 plus t square. Directly d as the answer. So 2 tan inverse root x plus c. Clear everyone? Got it everybody? Got it everybody? Hi Rohan. Chalo, anybody has doubt in this question? Anybody has doubt in this question? Fast, fast, fast. Can we go to the next? Chalo, everybody, let's go for the next question. See, same question we got in 2020. We just solved a similar question in what? 2020. What we solved? What we solved, student? Try everybody. First try. Let's see. You can solve and get this answer in 30 seconds. Let's see. Try everyone. Chalo, let's see. Let's see. A lot of people have written the answer A. Let's see. Rupa C. What about others? Rohan just hi. Okay, chalo. Will it be A? Will it be C? Let's see. Now, in the year 2020, we did one question. In the year 2020, we did one question. What was that question? Same concept, it was there. Cos inverse. See, people say a question doesn't repeat. Here is that question. Cos inverse. Just let me give the same question. So the question was minus half to half cos inverse x. Minus half to half cos inverse x. Now, we should remember what is the integration of cos inverse x dx. What is the integration of cos inverse x dx, which I told you to mug it up? What was the integration of cos inverse x dx? What was the integration of cos inverse x dx? If you all remember what we got, the value pi by 2. Minus half to half, also we got the value, how much? From minus half to half, we got the value pi by 2. So for 3 to 3, for 3 to 3, what will be the answer? For minus 3 to 3, what should be the answer? How will we do? Similar question, just the value change is there. But with this change of value, something more will change. With this change of value, something more will change, but the concept remains same. So let's do by the basic formula first, that is UV, okay? And then we'll see the trick part. If I'm doing UV, let's see. So minus 3 to 3, 1 into cos inverse x dx, okay? Now I know by eyelet, inverse always comes in the first. So U function is U and this is V. So it is, sorry, it is cot inverse x integration 1 dx minus integration d by dx of cot inverse x integration 1 dx and then dx. So cot inverse x into x minus integration of cot inverse x. What is this answer? Minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Integration of 1, just x dx, minus minus went home. What I told you to do here, take 1 plus x square as t, 2x dx is equal to dt. So x cot inverse x plus this whole thing is will be what? Dt by 2. Clear? So dt by 2 outside and this will be t. So basically log. So x. Now in this you can put the value from where to where? Minus 3 to 3. Put it. So 3 cot inverse 3 minus 3 into cot inverse of minus 3 plus half into log t. Okay. Now log t is what? Log of 1 plus x square. I have taken that only as t. Put minus 3 to 3. So here what I'm getting? Now everybody here, this is a good question. They wanted us to know what is the formula for cot inverse of minus x. So if you remember, cot inverse of minus x is nothing but pi minus cot inverse x. Pi minus cot inverse x. Okay. So 3 cot inverse 3 minus into minus one more, what do you say? So what we'll get? Oh, we already have plus here, no? Because of 1 is for minus 3 and 1 minus was there. So plus 3 into pi minus cot inverse 3 plus half into, if I put log, if I put 3 here, I'll get 9 plus 1 log 10 minus log 10. Clear? So this whole vanished. What about this? What I got? This 3 cot inverse 3 cot inverse 3 plus 3 pi minus 3 cot inverse 3. This got cancelled. 3 pi is the answer. How many people got the first A as the answer? One, two, three, four. Rupa ma'am, what you have done? You got C. Clear everyone. Clear everyone. Clear everyone. Yes, no, kids. Clear everyone. Yes, no, please fast. A very simple, easy question only. Now we'll do one last question of integral and then we'll go for the chapter AOI. Okay. Chalo. Let me choose a good question for you all. Okay. Try this. One last question from integral part. We'll go for the AOI part. Fast. We got the first answer as B. What about others? What about others? We got the first answer as B. What about others? Rohan B. Let's see. How is everything going, students? Anybody student having any doubt regarding which way to go and all? Give me a call, okay? I'll be guiding you whichever way possible, okay? But do not give up hope. Next 15 days are very, very, very crucial, okay? So I'll be going more of the classes today. We are not able to take the class because I was preparing your test paper. So tomorrow morning in the Google Meet, you'll be having class. Do join it fast, okay? Around 8 we'll be having the first class, 8 to 11. Chemistry is almost done, so just recordings and everything I'll provide to all. And then what else? 8 to 11 the first class will be, and then what do you say, we'll have a class after around 1:30 to 3:30, like that, okay? Chemistry class won't be there tomorrow, and then evening again my class will be there. So we'll be working on the chapter moving charges and magnetism. After that we'll go for what do you say, ray optics, wave optics, and modern physics. And this side, in the maths part, we'll take some light chapters, okay? Some light chapters will put up after this integration and AOI. Differential will go after this, don't worry. Differential is also very easy. Three kinds of questions keeps coming up mostly. Order degree one keeps coming up. Then integrating factor is also very important, and family of lines. Lines or equations or conics, okay? Very easy but simple. So we'll do that. And these few days, if the class is not happening because of any urgent issue, do revise. Do not waste time. Do revise, okay? Clear, everyone? Tomorrow I'll make the fixed plan and I'll send it to all the students, okay? Do not delay. Chalo. What about others? Only two people got the answer. What about others? See, how will we solve? First, simplify. First, simplify. The easiest method is simplify first. So, what we'll do? 0 to 1, dx by e power x plus 1 by e power x. So, what I got? Integration 0 to 1, e power x dx by 1 plus e power 2x. Clear? Now, what I'll do? Now, what I'll do? I'll take e power x as t. So, e power x dx is equal to what? Dt. So, I haven't changed the, what is it, this one? Limits. I'll change the limits. E power dx is equal to dt by 1 plus t square. Now, very simple. Now, coming to the limits. Limits is very, very simple. See what I have taken? I have taken e power x as t. Now, these are the limits. Earlier, understand, these are the limits of x. So, when x is equal to 0, what is e power x? What will be the value of t? T will be e power 0, and that is equal to what? 1. So, when x is 0, this is 1. Now, second, when x is equal to 1, t is equal to what? E power 1, and that is equal to e. So, done. So, this answer, if I differentiate, integrate this, I'll get tan inverse t plus c. So, that is equal to tan inverse t from where to where? 1 to e. Now, if you want, you can put the value. So, that is equal to tan inverse e minus tan inverse 1. So, everybody knows tan inverse 1 is what? Tan inverse 1 is what? Pi by 4. Done. Clear? Clear, everyone? So, what we got? Tan inverse e minus pi by 4. Tan inverse e minus pi by 4. 3D geometry and vectors, I think so on fourth. Fourth को मैं करा दूंगा. 3D geometry and vectors, one go. Chalo, everybody got it? Everybody got it? What was so difficult here, other kids? What was so difficult here? Chalo. Everybody got it? Clear? We'll take a half an hour break and start with AOI. Okay? Chalo. We'll take a half an hour break and start with AOI. Do not go here and there. 10:30 sharp. It will take max 1 hour to finish AOI. Okay? All PYQ and the theory also. Chalo. Okay, everyone. Okay. Chalo. Let's start, everybody. Let's start now. Hello. Hello, everyone. Let's start. Let's start. Let's start. Hi, Ritik. Let's start, everybody. Let's start. Chalo, let's put a message in the, what do you say, app. Everybody start fast. Class started, everyone. Join fast. Now, 1 second, students. Hello. Chalo, everybody. Chalo. Jaldi, jaldi, jaldi. Join fast, everyone. Chalo, we'll be studying the chapter application of integrals. Very simple, very easy chapter. We have to start it, finish it off fast. So everybody come fast. Hi Pavitra, hi Ritik. Chalo, let me start. Okay, we cannot delay much. Chalo everybody. AOI chapter, damn simple, damn easy. Fast everyone. Chalo. How is everybody's preparation going for class 12th? How is the preparation going for class 12th? Maths part. Chalo. Okay. Only two people are there. It's okay. No issues. Okay. Good, good. Any difficulty, any doubt, do tell me, okay? Um, Wherever I can guide, I'll guide it. Okay. Chalo. Now let's see. Karthik MP, not good. Why, bro? Karthik, why not good? Which chapter you're having a doubt? Class 12th kids, which chapter you're having a doubt? Chalo, let's see. What does this whole AOI means? Okay. The moment we say understand, very important and very simple. Okay. The moment we say we are integrating a function, let's say we have a graph like this. Let's say we have a graph like this. And this graph is nothing but y is equal to fx function. And we are integrating it from a to b. We are integrating it from a to b. The moment we write a to b integral fx dx, what does this mean? It means that we are finding the area under this graph. It means that we are finding the area under this graph from where to where? From a to b. From a to b. Clear? And the limits are of dx. These limits are of x-axis. Clear? Clear? So area A is equal to integration a to b fx dx means the area under the graph along x-axis. Area under this graph along x-axis. Along x-axis. Clear everyone this much? Clear everyone this much? Yes, no? Screen not visible. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Screen. 1 second, 1 second. Is screen visible now? Check it fast. Screen visible. Screen is visible. Is the screen visible? Yes, no, yes, no. Is the screen visible, students? So I'll again explain. Is the screen visible, everyone? Yes, no, fast. Come on, come on, come on. Put it in the chat section. Do tell me is the screen is visible to you all or not. Are you all able to see the screen? Are you all able to? Okay, okay, okay. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Now let's see. Whenever I draw the graph, I have a curve like this. Y is equal to fx, one curve is there. Now what I'm doing, I'm integrating this curve from where to where? A to B. And this curve, what I'm doing, I'm finding the area under the x-axis. See, I'm finding it everything under the x-axis part, okay? Not y-axis, x-axis. So whenever I write A is equal to integration A to B fx dx, it means that I am finding the area under this function under x-axis along x-axis. So that is the meaning of A to B integral fx dx. Simple meaning of A to B fx dx means area under the curve, this curve along x-axis. Along which axis? X-axis. Now you'll say, sir, this dx is for what? This A and B limits are of x-axis. A and B limits are of x-axis. If somebody writes dy, the limits will change to y-axis. This part, everybody clear? We have a curve. Let me explain again. See here, everybody. We have a curve y is equal to fx. We have a curve y is equal to fx. So I drew it like this. This is the curve. Now, I told, okay, for x equal to 2 to x equal to 4, tell me what is the area of this curve fx, okay, along the x-axis. So you write it like this. Screen is off. Is the screen off? No, screen is correct. Correct. Chalo. Karthik, give me a call after the class. Don't worry. Yes, chances are there still 10K getting a what is a rank below 10K is not very difficult. Uh, what is say? I'm really sorry. What you say? Last 10 days plan I'll upload. Okay. So last 10 days, 15 days plan I'll upload by tonight. So those you follow it. Okay. And you'll be able, those chapters you concentrate, very, very, very important. Okay. You'll be able to score minimum 40, 40, 40 in all. If you are scoring 120, you'll be around 5K. Minimum around 5K. Chalo. But do not give up. Do not miss the class. Every single class, whatever I am taking, wherever I am taking, do not miss it, Karthik. Okay. Chalo. Now for this function y is equal to fx, the moment we write integration 2 to 4 fx dx means what? Area under this graph from where to where? From 2 to 4 along x-axis. Everybody got this point? Yes, no in the chat section. Everybody got this point? Tell me fast. Everybody got this point? Nishat, Pooja, Pavitra, Karthik. Right now also a lot of time is there. Do not waste your time. Per day, revise everything. What you say, study a lot. Would make a target 16 to 18 hours. Study and sleep. Study and sleep. Nothing more than that. Food is compulsory. Maintain a good diet. That's it. Last days, do not miss any single second. You can change your rank by lot. Okay. Chalo. Long time, Pinaki. Chalo, everybody written this part. Everybody got it. Let's go to the next page. Very simple concept was there. Everybody knows. Now what happens is sometimes instead of integrating along x-axis, instead of finding the area along the x-axis, what we do? Find the area along y-axis. We do find the area along y-axis. So what do you do? Instead of along x-axis, now same curve, the curve equation changed. Now it is x equal to f of y. Now I am integrating along which axis? See, this is my y-axis. So what will be the integration? Integration a to b. Now these are the limits of what? Y. So write dy. And what is my function? F of y. Done. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? For y-axis, okay, for y-axis students, what I have done? understand, very simple. This was my graph. See, if I integrate along x, it will be very difficult. So what I did, I integrated along y. From where to where? Let's say 2 to 4. So integration 2 to 4. Now these limits are of what? Y. So write down dy. What is the my function? X is equal to f of y. Function is in terms of y. So f of y dy. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Yes, no, yes, no, fast in the chat section. In the YouTube only, I'll upload the timetable. Don't worry, Karthik. I'll upload the timetable in the YouTube. Hi, Rohan. Got it, everybody. Chalo, chalo. Clear, clear, clear. Now see, if it is below, what happens then? Here also we can find the area. Okay, it is below the x-axis. Here also we can find the area. No issues. Okay, but what happens whenever we find the area, we take the positive value. Okay, so in integration we get positive and negative both, but whenever we talk about area, area is always positive. Area is always positive. Clear? So that's why what we do, we take the modulus value. If it is below the x-axis, we take the mod value. Clear, the positive value. Okay, clear everyone? Because area cannot be negative. Integration can definitely be negative, but area cannot be. Okay, clear everyone? Clear everyone? This point, got it? This integration will be negative, but the area part, if we are telling, we'll just put a modulus and make it positive. If I got -3, I'll just put a mod and I'll write the answer area is 3. Integration value, definitely -3. Clear everyone? Yes, no, fast kids. This part is clear. See, I'll be putting up your mock test will be going live. I'll be putting up only 5 mock tests. Okay. These questions are very important along with the ones which you have practiced, and it will be almost concept based on the previous years. So do solve it. Okay. Do solve it for everyone. Okay. Chalo. Next. Now what happens? We sometimes try to complicate. Now we got the area how to find for one curve. What about two curves? Very simple, sir. If I'm finding for this upper one, if I'm finding for this upper one, y is equal to fx. So a to b, from a to b. So what I'll get? All the values which is under this. So we'll get this whole area. Now I'll say, sir, I want the middle one. So what I'll do? I'll subtract from this one part. A to b, I'll subtract this part. So the moment I subtract this part, will I get this answer as an answer? Yes or no? So what I did is area of the middle part is equal to area of the bigger part fx dx minus area of the smaller part a to b gx dx. Or you can say a to b upper curve minus lower curve. Clear everyone? Write down fast. Just simple. Draw this diagram and write down this part. What do you do? Find the area of the upper curve minus the area of the lower curve. You will get the in between part. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Everyone, it is clear? Is it clear everyone? Chalo. I'll go for the next page. Everyone put up your energy. Okay, last 10 days to 12 days are there. We need to work hard. So I want everyone to be active. Okay, do write fast. Yes sir, done, not done, got it, didn't get. Okay, so that we can proceed a bit faster, finish up everything. Okay, I don't want like what is, I'm just teaching and no response is coming. So what happens is, like, whether you are understanding, not understanding, we're not able to get. Okay, chalo. And a bit faster so that we can go all faster and complete each and everything what I have told earlier, so that we can finish off each and everything. Okay, chalo. Next. Now these graphs are very, very, very important. Okay, so everybody, you should know, though we haven't done the straight lines part, but you should know how do we write a straight line. Whenever we write y is equal to mx plus c, what does it means? It means that we are drawing a straight line which is cutting the y axis at c, and the slope of this means the tan theta of this graph is m. The slope is given by the value m. So that is the meaning of m here, tan theta. C means the y intercept. Y intercept means if I put x equal to 0, okay, the value what we get, that is the y intercept. So y is equal to mx plus c means a line which is cutting the y axis at c and having a slope m. Now if I have y is equal to mx means it is cutting at origin. If c is equal to 0 means the line is cutting the y axis at origin, then we have this graph. Next is intercept form, where it is cutting the x axis and where it is cutting the y axis. This also is very important. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. It means that it is cutting x axis at, let's take an example, x by 2 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. It means that it is cutting the x axis at 2 and y axis at 3, and the line is like this, cutting x at 2 and cutting y at 3. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Very simple, very easy, but you need to write it down. Okay, clear everyone? Clear everyone? Chalo, clear everybody? Chalo, good. Written everybody? Let's see the next one. Next is equation of line through two given points. This is all we know. Just what do you say, so that at the time of writing you become more familiar and you are able to, what do you say, without any hesitation you can draw the graph and find the area. So if they have given us 2 points x1 y1 x2 y2, how to write the equation of the line? Take any point y minus y1 by x minus x1, that is equal to slope. Okay, so y minus y1 by x minus x1, that is equal to slope. This only equation we can write y minus y1 equal to m times of, send it this side, x minus x1. Clear everyone? Chalo. Clear everyone? 1 second student, write it down. Chalo, let's see everybody. Done everybody? Chalo. Next, standard formula for a circle. If somebody says, what is the equation of a circle passing through the center? Okay, so what you'll say, the equation of a circle passing through the center, okay, at 0 comma 0 is nothing but this one. This is the diagram making a radius r, that is equal to x square plus y square is equal to r square. Clear? This is nothing but, what is it? Equation of circle, which is whose center is at which point? 0 comma 0, that is origin, and radius, what is it making is, that is r. That's it. Clear? So you should know the equations. You should just know the equation. Do not go in depth and detail. Sir, I haven't read the chapter circles and all. You don't need. You just need this much. And if question comes a bit difficult, now they have said that instead of the center at origin, center is somewhere at point h comma k. Center is somewhere at point h comma k. So this is at this point h comma k, and the radius is r. Now equation is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. This much line is more than enough. You don't need the whole circle chapter to do the questions of AOI. Clear everyone? You don't need the whole circle chapter to do the questions of AOI. This general formula will use very less. Okay, in the least one we'll be done with this or this, just so that you don't have to open other textbooks to, what do you say, find the formula, right? I've just given, so do write it down. Written everyone. First is the equation of circle, but you should remember what is it. First told equation of circle which is passing through center. Second is equation of circle which is passing through center is at h comma k, any point h comma k, and the third is the general equation. We don't know where it is, but we can find the center by using this coordinate and radius by using this formula. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Shalom. Let's go for the next one. Let's go for the next one. Next is parabola. So in parabola, what you need to know, first thing is whether it is an upward or a downward parabola and what is its equation. So if it is an upward parabola, x square is equal to 4ay. If it's a downward parabola, x square is equal to minus 4ay. Now how will I remember whether it will be x square or y square? Very simple. See here. If just take a value 2 and here minus 2. If for 2 and minus 2 both I am getting a value here, let's say 4, it means that it will be x square. Means for two values of x, we'll get a single value of y. Clear? If I want to write 4, I can write it as minus 2 square also and 2 square also. So whenever I write x square is equal to 4ay, it is means what? It will be either upward parabola or a downward parabola. If it is positive, upward. If it is negative, downward parabola. Clear everyone? And how to remember whether it will be like x, what do you say, upward or downward? Upward means positive, downward means negative. Clear? And if I want to check which symmetry it will be, which line is cutting it into equal two halves, this y-axis. If I draw from a knife, if I cut this whole graph with a knife, I'll see one equal part here, one equal part here. Clear? So symmetrical about y-axis. Just for the information I gave it. Okay? Clear? Now here if you see, it is a rightward or a leftward parabola. A right parabola or a left parabola. So in right and left, how do we understand? See, for one value of x, we are getting two values of y. Clear? You can remember it like this also. Otherwise, you all know, if you can remember easily, then done. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Write down fast. Chalo, chalo. Everybody got it till here? Anybody doubt? Equation is important. Equation is important. If you know the equation, we can directly solve the answer. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? At least now nobody will have the feeling, sir, I haven't done parabola, conic, this all. We don't need this much area. Are you able to understand? If they give me a formula y square equal to 4x, what will be the graph? Sir, a rightward parabola. Why? Because for one value of x, sir, we'll get two values of y. So that's why y square and x is here. Clear? Clear, everyone? Yes, no, yes, no, fast. Rupa ma'am, Nishat, Pavitra, Rohan, Ritik. Got it, everybody? Chalo. Next page, ellipse. A very, very important ellipse. Understand first the equation of ellipse. Okay. Equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Now, what is this a and b? What we need to understand, what is this a and b? A and b means x axis where it is cutting. This ellipse is cutting the x axis at what point? That is a. And y axis where it is cutting, that is b. So if somebody wrote x square by 6 square plus y square by 4 square equal to 1. So it means it is cutting the x axis at 6 and y it is cutting at 4. This much I got it. Now if my a is greater than b, means major axis is the bigger one. Major axis is bigger one. This is smaller, so the minor axis. Clear? Clear? Chalo. Now very, very, very important for an ellipse, the area formula. This is the trick part. The area formula is pi AB. Pi AB. If they give me a question, let's say my question is x square by 36,144 plus y square by 81 equal to 1. Find the area. Tell me fast what will be the answer. Tell me fast what will be the answer, everybody. Tell me fast what will be the answer. Tell me fast what will be the answer. Chalo. Written, everybody, and solve it fast. Only two people are there. Nishat ma'am and Pavitra ma'am, I think so. Three. Written, not written, yes, no, fast. Anybody doubt? Do tell me. If I'm going fast, do tell me. Anywhere doubt, do tell me. See, in exam, for solving the questions, what we need is to understand this graph, this equation. What does it means? How do we draw this graph? If that much you know, you'll be able to find the answer. Done. I'll show it how to find the answer. Don't worry. Fast, kids, fast. Yes, no, yes, no. 108 pi, Pavitra. What about others? What about others? Very simple question. Oh, what is the formula I told? First, write it down in this equation form. So x square by 12 square plus y square by 9 square equal to 1. So what is my a? A is equal to 12, sir. B is equal to 9. What is the area formula? Pi AB. Pi into A is 12, B is 9. 12 nines are 108 pi. Done. Clear, everyone? Where are you stuck, ma'am? Where are you stuck? Tell me. Very simple, no. Got it, ma'am? Got it? Yes, no. See, x square by 12 square plus y square by 9 square equal to 1. So x equal, what is it? A equal to 12, y is equal to 9. Sorry, b equal to 9. Directly pi ab. Pi equal to 12 into 9. So 108 pi. Clear, Nishat ma'am? Okay, okay, chalo, chalo. Done. Very simple, very easy. Okay. Next. Next, this is y-axis ellipse. Earlier was x-axis. Okay, here it is y-axis means see in the y it is bigger. So the denominator of y is bigger. So the moment we have an equation x square by 9 square plus y square by 12 square equal to 1, will it be x-axis or will it be y-axis ellipse? You check the denominator. You check the denominator. If the denominator of y is bigger, it will be y-axis ellipse. It will be y-axis ellipse. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Just check the denominator of x and y. If the denominator of x square is bigger, it means x-axis. If the denominator of y square is bigger, it means y-axis. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? That's why I've written here. Do write it down fast. Do write it down fast. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Everybody got it, got it. Okay, okay. Pretty clear till here. What would we learned? We learned about straight lines a bit. What is required? We learned about parabola. We learned about ellipse. Okay. And we learned about circle. Clear till here? Nobody has any doubt. Nothing tough is here. Okay. Chalo. Next, coming to the standard result. These are the very, very, very important things. Okay. Never miss it. Now, the moment they give you two parabola, one is what? Upper parabola and upward parabola, and one is right parabola. So one's equation is x square is equal to 4by. The other equation is y square is equal to 4ax. What is the area in between? What is the area in between? Directly, this is the answer. Area is equal to 16 by 3ab. This is a trick. You just have to mug it up. If this question came like 3 to 4 times, minimum 3 to 4 times in CT, okay? So directly remember the answer. If one of the parabola is upward parabola and one is the right parabola, the area between them is given by the formula 16 by 3ab. 16 by 3ab. Do write it down fast, everybody. Do write it down fast, everybody. Chalo, chalo, fast, 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 student. This is the trick. It will help you fast. An exam, the moment they'll give you, okay, a question like this, that we have a parabola x square is equal to, what do you say, 16y, and the other parabola is y square is equal to 32x. Find the area in between. Find the area in between. Find the area in between. Find me the answer. Come on, everybody, find the answer. Find the answer. You all had food? Dinner done? Done, public. Fast. Yes, no, done, not done. Come on, written. What is the answer? Root 2 AB. Root 2 AB. Okay. Chalo, let me show. So first I'll find what is A and B. So I put it in this equation, x square is equal to 4 into y. What is left? 4. So this is my B. This is equal to B. Now here y square is equal to 4 into x into what is left? 8. So this is my A. So area is equal to what? 16 by 3 into A, that is 8, and B, that is 4. So what I got? 8 into 4, 32, 32 into 16. So basically 16, 16 into 2. So 16 into 16, 256 into 2, 512 by 3. 512 by 3. How did you get root, Pavitra ma'am? I just gave you the formula, no? I gave you the trick formula. No need to use here, there, anything. Directly use this formula. 16 by 3AB. Find A and B and then use it. Clear, everyone? Yes, no, didn't get it. Okay, Pavitra ma'am got it. What about others? Nobody gave any answer. Chalo. Next. This is just 8 take how? 8 how? Okay, okay. How the value of 8, see what I gave here in this equation. What I gave, y square is equal to y square is equal to 32x. So what I can write, y square is equal to, see I need to take 4 and x outside. So take 4 and x. So what I need to multiply to get 32? 8 only, no? So that becomes a. If you compare, this can be written as what? Y square is equal to 4 into 8 into x. So y square equal to 4x. Now compare. So what is the a value? 8. Clear? Clear, Pavitra ma'am? Clear? Clear. Chalo. Now here just I've generalized and given everything, every formula. Okay. What is focus, what is length of latest rectum, equation of directrix. If you want, you can write, but you won't be needing this much. Okay, we won't be needing this much. Clear? Chalo. I just gave it so that every formula is there in one go. You can, what is it, take a screenshot if needed, so that it is there with you. Later write it down. Shall everybody write it down fast. So take in screenshot. Okay, done, good. But do write it down later. Okay, any doubt, do tell me. Okay. Now here again, just take a screenshot if needed. Kids are so fast in taking screenshots. Chalo. Exams are near, so we can't do anything. So here, just understanding is important. If my a is bigger, the denominator of x square is bigger, it will be x-axis. And if the denominator of y square is bigger, it will be y-axis. Clear? Chalo. Next. Chalo, next. Hyperbola. Spelling is wrong. Okay. It's hyperbola. Taken everybody for the hyperbola. Chalo. Oh, A is also there. I'll write it only. Chalo. Next, very important. This question also a lot of times keeps repeating in CT and Comedk. What is it? Area bounded by one parabola, one line. So if they have given you a right-handed parabola and a line, directly you can give the area. Directly you can give the area. This one you write it down. Don't copy. Don't take a screenshot. Okay. Very simple. Okay. So let me give you a question also. Find the area between these two. Find the area between these two. Uh, 64x. Yeah. That's a good question. But see, doesn't matter. The target is to deliver what I've said. So the content I have to deliver, whether it is one, none also, I have to put it up. So you have to keep doing your work. Okay. Sometimes you will be sad, but doesn't matter. Work is there, so you have to do. Some days are good, some days are bad. Doesn't matter. But yeah, don't let that decide your work. Okay. Chalo. 16 by 3. 16 by 3. Let's see. See what we have here is y square is equal to 4x. Compare it, y square is equal to 4x, and what I need to multiply to get 64? 16. So my a is 16. What about m? So y is equal to 8x. So my m is directly 8. So area is equal to what? 8 by 3 into a square. 16 into 16 by m cube. 8 into 8 into 8. So 2 8 gone. What is it? 1 8 gone, 1 8 gone. 8 ones are 8 twos are 8 ones are 8 twos are. So what we got? 4 by 3 as an answer. 4 by 3. Pavitra ma'am, not 32 by 3. 4 by 3. Did you get it now? 4 by 3. Got it, Pavitra ma'am? 4 by 3. Yes, no, yes, no. Okay, chalo. Let's see the next one. Let's see the next one. Area between ellipse and a line. Okay, area between ellipse and a line which is whose intercepts we know. So this is an ellipse and a line whose I know it is cutting x-axis at this point and y-axis at this point. So directly for that area, this is the formula. Directly for that area, this is the formula. Clear everyone? Do write it down fast. Next for parabola and a line, this is the area. So we did for right parabola, now we did for upward parabola. So both parabola covered, okay? When you get any question, parabola line combination, directly check. Oh, upward parabola line, this is the formula. Okay, what is a right parabola line? This is the formula. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Chalo, good. Let's see the next one. Let's see the next one. Next, now we are putting one circle, one parabola. Very, very, very important. This is mostly for CET kids, mostly used. This part and this part of the formula. In lot of the integration questions AOI, mostly these two formulas of integrals will keep repeating. So very, very, very important. Okay. Written everybody. Chalo. Next. So this part is done. AOI concept, everything is done. Application of integrals, whole concept part is done. Now only formula is left. What is the questions are left? So will we do it now or we'll do it tomorrow? DN. What's the full form of DN? Do it now or tomorrow? Will we start with the question answer? The question answers are very, very simple. Okay. We can check the PYQs. Whatever the formulas I have given, that will be more than sufficient to solve each and every question. Okay. So let's see some questions and let's get it done. Just give me 1 minute. How many questions are there? Per year, minimum one, maximum two. So if you're doing 4 years also, 8 questions max. If you're doing what do you say, 4 years also, 8 question max. Tomorrow, sure, we'll keep tomorrow morning, okay? So keep it till here, everybody. So let's keep it till here for today, okay? Chalo, best of luck, work hard, revise everything, whatever is done, so that you remember the formula and you are able to solve in less than 30 seconds. Clear? Chalo. Bye. Thank you all. Okay. Work hard. And Karthik, give me a call after the class, okay? How many people want to continue? How many people want to continue? Let's see. One, you want to continue, Nishat ma'am, okay. What about others? Chalo, the chat is loading a bit slow. Okay, we'll keep it till here only. Chalo.